Nice work. You finished setting up your Legacy Builders 2.0 website. Now, the next thing you want to do is test it to make sure it works. You're also going to want to consider testing it every couple of weeks, just in case it's still working. It's the internet world. Links can break. Perhaps you're changing something and you inadvertently change something else. Or maybe you just leave System.io and your cat walks across the keyboard. Things can happen. So periodically pop into your website and take a look and test it to make sure it works. So open up your website as if you were a customer. You'll get to the main page here, and then just go ahead and enter your email. So I'm just going to enter my test email, and I'm going to click on send me the blueprint now. We know the next step has to be the video of Michelle. So now your customer can see this. So make sure that still comes up. Excellent. That's great. Now you want to be able to click on yes, I'm ready. So we're going to click on that. Fantastic. Yes, we come to the main page here. You're going to make sure you want to see the photos and the bio. You're going to want to make sure all of the links work. So all of the buttons, scroll through the page, click on each button, and make sure your payment details come up. So you can pay by PayPal and then check your Square links. Click on that to make sure the Square link works as well. That one is good, so we're going to go back and let's try another link. So let's just scroll all the way down here to the bottom, and we're going to just check our links for our other products. So keep going down. Again, you're going to want to check all of the links just to make sure, but I'm going to click on each of these as well to make sure that they work. Check your Square link, click on that to make sure the Square comes up. And that's all there is to it. Now you want to go back into your System.io to make sure that the email's sent out. So for many cases, if you've already tested with your email, it's not going to resend that email again. So try and test with a different email that you've never used before if you're testing your automations. But for the most part, if your automations work, then just make sure the buttons work. But we are testing the automations this time, so I did use a different email address. So now I'm going to go back into System.io, and here is the list of the emails. And now I can see that there is one contact at that stage and one email has been sent. So I have confirmed that this website is working. If it is not working, if something doesn't work as it should be, go back to your setup videos within the within your legacy program, digital mastery program. All of that is there. So for example, if a link doesn't work, you're going to want to go back into your Kajabi and go back into your automated Freedom Machine website setup and find the video that would most likely fix your problem. Now, sometimes this is difficult to determine, so you can always post questions in the school community. Tag Vetted Tech, you can get help that way. You can go into the classroom and you can go into this tech help section, and you can see how you can also get help. So here's how you can get some free and paid tech support. Don't forget there are weekly tech Zooms. You can reach out to any of us vetted tech helpers. This list is updated, so you'll want to check it out just to make sure you're reaching out. And if you want to pay somebody to fix it for you, you can always reach out to one of us. Remember, you can post in the community to ask the questions, and there's also the tech Zooms weekly that you can get help as well.